On a bright and historic day in Ibadan, thousands of colorfully dressed people thronged the ancient streets to witness the coronation ceremony of the 43rd Olubadan of Ibadanland. The events took place at the iconic Mokbo Hall in the Ibadan Southeast local government area, attracting a multitude of indigenes, residents, and well-wishers. The ceremony was marked by the presence of several dignitaries, including the Aseyin of Iseyin, Oba Sefiu Olawale Oyebola. In his address, Oba Oyebola congratulated the governor of Oyo State and the people of Oyo State on this significant occasion. He extended his best wishes to the new Olubadan, hoping for a prosperous and successful reign.
This is my first time of being in a coronation of Olubadan, so it's a thing of joy. And I pray for the new Olubadan that God will grant him long life and prosperity. The people of Ibadan will know it's time for good.
Honorable Abbas Agborin, a member of the Federal House of Representatives, expressed his admiration for the new Olubadan, noting the importance of his ascension as the 43rd Olubadan of Ibadanland.
This for the God, Oba Olakuleyin. I believe that the same thing will happen. His main goal is progress of Ibadan city and the Ibadan people. So I know he's coming on board to work together with our excellency.
Other notable dignitaries also spoke highly of the new Olubadan, celebrating his leadership qualities and the positive impact they anticipate for Ibadanland under his reign.
It is a city that has a very laid out succession plan. You can find out that whenever we have a new Olubadan being enthroned, it's always enthroned in an atmosphere of peace, because the succession plan is already there and it's one that works for the people of Ibadan. So we are happy.
It's quite pleasant after so many months of the demise of the last Olubadan of Ibadanland. In spite of all odds, in spite of all other things that were like obstacles, we thank God that everything has been surmounted and we are having a new Olubadan today.
The event underscored the rich cultural heritage of Ibadan and the unity of its people as they welcomed their new traditional leader. Taiwo Olanrewaju, Impact TV News.